This is Koa Robot R1, a fully autonomous smart suitcase that follows its user while avoiding any obstacles in its path. The Co-Move system is the brains of the R1, in charge of sensing the environment, planning reasonable paths, and avoiding obstacles, all while following its user. The sensing ability of the Co-Move system is made possible by multi-sensor fusion technology, which is mainly based on a set of sonars, a depth sensor COI, and cliff detect sensors that allow R1 to avoid stairs and other dangerous drop-offs. A customized bracelet will be provided with each R1. The Co-Move system ensures that R1 rolls along within an arm's length distance to the bracelet on the user at all times. A pair of active wheel units with a retractable design similar to aircraft landing gears propels the suitcase forward when both wheel units deploy. The active wheel units will retract as soon as you touch the handle, switching R1 from autonomous mode into manual mode. R1 follows at a maximum speed of 4.5 miles per hour, sufficient for most daily needs. The wheel units are powerful enough to tackle any and all kinds of terrain. Co-Smart Intelligent Lock will automatically lock itself to ensure your valuables remain safe. A simple double tap on your bracelet will activate the Find Me function, and R1 will intelligently plan a route to make its way back to you. With the Co-Smart Intelligent Lock, proximity alarm, and embedded GPS, your belongings are guaranteed to be safe. The Co-Smart Intelligent Lock also integrates a TSA lock and a traditional combination lock, which ensures the luggage lock is TSA approved and can function properly even without the power supply. The proximity alarm will notify you if your luggage leaves your area. If you accidentally lose or misplace your luggage, don't worry. With the onboard GPS, you can easily find its location on your app. R1 uses the 96.5 watt-hour portable power bank as its power source. You can easily charge devices directly from the power bank, or with integrated USB ports for on-the-go charging if the power bank is plugged into the suitcase. The power bank is easily removable, making airport security checks a breeze. The front storage space allows for one-click access to remove electronics during airport security checkpoints without having to repack your bag, while the spacious main compartment is perfect for the compact storage of other travel necessities. Wherever you go, whatever you do, R1 will be with you every step of the way. Koa Robot R1. Make travel less of a drag.
Recording your dive should be simple. We want high-quality recordings, but still be able to be present in the dive and not fumble with filters and buttons. So, we set out to make the world's best action camera for diving. OctoSpot is the first camera that is able to log your dive. It's also the first to automatically correct the white balance to match your depth. It records in high quality and is intuitive to use. It has a long battery life, even in cold water. We've designed everything to be operated while using gloves, and it can be mounted fast and easy. The OctoSpot is made for divers. You feel when it starts recording, and sharing your videos is easy. All you have to do is enjoy the dive. With the T-Rail click mount, you can mount and demount in a matter of seconds. It's rock solid. There's also an adapter mount, so you can use other accessories you may already have. With the third-person viewer, you can put yourself in the shot. A great learning tool for all new divers. The ergonomic mask mount fits almost any mask and records everything you see. The third-person viewer is the first of its kind. It's so compact, it fits in a pocket on your BC and can give you a whole new perspective on your dive. The OctoSpot knows exactly how deep down you are and makes sure your recordings and pictures are not tainted green or blue. It's the first camera in the world that can automatically correct the white balance to match the depth you're at. It also has electronic image stabilization. This removes shakes and creates a steady and smooth video. To avoid endless gigabytes of data and make sharing easy, we invented Snap Record. Press once to take a picture and hold to record. Easy.
There you go, dude.
Connect to the OctoSpot by Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and immediately view your videos, pictures, or snaps. Depth, temperature, and time can be displayed in the video. The clips are ready to share, or you can choose to edit.
The average person spends over 50 hours a year in traffic. That's time that can be used to work, sleep, and more importantly, enjoy the moments that matter. The CityGo scooter with its new kick assist system will change how you commute forever. With the tap of a button, the scooter unlocks. It's portable and also energy efficient, being able to travel over 20 kilometers on a single charge. Ready in seconds, the handlebars flip forward at the push of a switch. With a single kick, the motor is activated and will maintain your speed. Acceleration is activated by the Smart Kick Assist system, which consists of the hub motor and new state-of-the-art smart sensors. The regenerative smart brake system is activated when you tap on the brake, making sure the battery is automatically recharged. While more than sufficient for your city commute, the adjustable handlebars and sleek design are exclusive to the City brand. Weighing in at only 9.8 kilos, the convenient size and compact design means you can take it anywhere, whether it's your car or even the train. There's nowhere you can't go with CityGo. The state-of-the-art LCD screen provides you with constant updates throughout your journey. Equipped with Bluetooth, you can also check the scooter's status with our new app. Route battery power, light intensity, speed, and scooter diagnostics will all be accessible from your phone. Whether you want to fly through traffic, go around roadblocks, or avoid the overcrowded streets, the CityGo gives you 3 speed modes: Novice, Normal, and Sports. Our intelligent app is even able to track where you've been and where you're going. What's more, with its integrated kickstand, you can park the CityGo anywhere. Here at CityGo, your safety is our top priority. With built-in headlights as well as brake lights that can all be controlled by your phone, you don't need to worry about not being seen on the road. So why waste your life waiting in traffic? Keep life on the go with CityGo.
Meet Renegade, the first 3D pen in the world that allows you to reuse your plastic bottles, bags, and files and turn them into 3D art. Renegade is highly reliable and breaks material limitations, thanks to its robust design, powerful motor, and adjustable temperature. All other options available in today's market use proprietary filaments, which don't contribute to reducing waste and cost you $10 to $15 per pack. But should 3D drawing and sculpting really be such an expensive thing to do? Renegade replaces a standard pack using just 2 plastic bottles. It will provide you with perfectly stable 3D printing. You can significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste your household produces, and you won't ever have to buy expensive filaments again. Unlike other pens on the market, we're providing you with a nifty accessory so you can create your own strips at no extra cost. This is the Chupacut, Renegade's secret weapon. As you can see, in just a matter of seconds, it transforms plastic bottles into plastic strips, ready for your use. Chupacut is really easy to use. We'll walk you through it in just a few seconds. Start by warming up the bottle. We're using a heat gun, but you can use your hairdryer or stove. Then, cut off the bottom. You can use scissors or any blade. If your bottle is large, like ours, you can extend the telescopic holder, which keeps things stable. Then simply hold on to the Chupacut and start pulling. It's that easy. Chupacut can produce strips 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters wide. And with our optional stand, you can store and house plastic strips for future use. We also provide an attachment which holds the strips you're using in place. That's it! You're now ready to start creating 3D drawings, sculptures, and so much more.
The Jamstick Plus is the easiest way to learn how to play the guitar, period. It comes with apps for your iPhone or iPad to help you learn how to play. Download Jam Tutor on the App Store and learn without having to guess where to put your fingers. The Jamstick Plus never needs tuning. It uses your iPad, iPhone, or Mac to generate sound, and it already works with more apps than we can keep track of. You can learn and practice on your terms with the Jamstick Plus. We've seen users start playing chords in minutes with the Jamstick, and its portability can turn just about any environment into a practice or lesson studio. The original Jamstick was well received in 2014, but we knew there were improvements we wanted to get into more users' hands. We started by adding a magnetic pickup to give the Jamstick Plus a more traditional feel to your picking hand. And thanks to advancements with Bluetooth 4.0 technology, we equipped the Jamstick Plus with wireless Bluetooth connectivity that works seamlessly with Apple's new Bluetooth MIDI software. The Jamstick Plus has the same real guitar strings and real frets just like the original to best match the experience of putting your fingers on a guitar. And yes, the Jamstick Plus handles string bend and vibrato. The Jamstick Plus works with your iPhone or iPad to get great musical performance out of apps like GarageBand, Loopy, and hundreds of others. The Jamstick Plus is also a great MIDI controller for your Mac. In Yosemite, you can play any sound available in Logic, Ableton Live, Pro Tools, and other DAWs.